Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite diva here, back with another video, and I'm so excited just to be sitting down with you guys, chilling, spilling tea, sipping tea, drinking water, all the vibes. And yeah, it's just a chill video today. I feel like we've just been doing so many reviews, so many giveaways. I have another giveaway going on my Instagram tomorrow, so follow me at cohlsworld so you guys don't miss it. But yeah, it's just a chill get ready with me. I love you guys. But let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe as always. And yeah, I'll see you there. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, girl. My man is just blowing me up right now. Okay, so I color corrected and did my eyes off camera just because these eyes are so easy. So they just bronzer. New Morphe crystals, which are sickening, only $7. Use code DIVA. I'm shook. And yeah, that's it. So let's go ahead and jump right in, you guys. I feel like I just haven't talked to you guys in a hot minute. We've just been doing reviews and just fucking killing it at that. Oh my god, I'm really shook by how well everything's just been going for the divas, and I just feel like a little proud mom, you know? This has been like the craziest past couple months of my life. It's just been insane. Recently, I took my parents and my sister and her boyfriend to Florida, and it was so much fun. I just felt like my family needed to get away. They live in Illinois, and girl, who wants to be in Illinois? Like, not me. I'm gonna go with the new... Oh, that smells good! The new Luminous setting spray from Morphe, you guys. Oh, it feels good. And also my Morphe sponge, not sponsored by Morphe, but you sure can use code DIVA. Speaking about using code DIVA, I know I don't really talk about this much, but people are always like, oh, like, I just found out you had a coupon code here, like, oh, why don't you say anything? And the thing is, I don't ever want to be that bitch. Like, I don't ever want to be like, seem like, you know, I'm only using this product because I want you to buy it. I don't know, I just feel like that really does exist in this community, and I just don't want to be a part of that. I am a diva. I'm not a fucking follower of these girls and their trends. So, divas are not fake bitches, and that is just period. I'm not saying anyone's fake, I'm just saying, in general. I love this Morphe sponge though. Speaking of Morphe, I love this sponge, you guys, because I love cleaning up right here. But does anyone else feel like this year has just been bad? Like, I thought this year was gonna be like the most sickening year, and it just has been off to like the worst start ever. Of course, like taking my family to Florida was so much fun, but it's just like, I just feel like everything's been so crazy. I've been working on some things. I know it's so annoying and influencers are always saying that, but like, I have some bomb shit coming out this year, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. I'm just really passionate about makeup, and I just love like everything that goes into it. I love the marketing, and I just love everything. And I really just want everything to be amazing, you know? But also, guys, I have been so addicted to TikTok. This video is already off to just a random ass start. But is anyone else like literally addicted to TikTok? Follow me at cohlsworld. But I just feel like TikTok's more fun. Am I right or am I right? It's just more fun. No one's taking it too seriously. I feel like influencers do not exist there, which I live for. I've just been in this weird like thing recently. Like, I just feel like I'm like the outcast of the beauty community, and I just feel like so many people don't like me, and honestly I don't know why, and honestly they probably just don't not like me. I'm just probably in my head, you know? I always just want to make people happy, and that's what I really want to try to work on this year, is making myself happy, because you can't be a diva if you ain't happy, girl. The whole thing about diva, and I know I don't talk about this often, but the whole mentality around being a diva is being the person you wanted to be. Like me growing up, I was like in the shell of this person that was so insecure, hated themselves, was bullied and all these things, and I felt like I could never get away from it. So when I would go home, I'd be this completely different person. When I'd go to cheer, I'd be this completely different person. And one day I was talking to my coach about it, and he was like, when you're here, you can be yourself, you can be your inner diva. So being the diva, being your inner diva, me being diva, is being yourself. That's who I am, girl. Period. I know some other girls be trying to be the diva, and I'm just sitting here like, baby, let's move on. I'm just doing some quick cream contour, you guys. I'm actually going out to dinner with some friends. I really just be staying home and doing nothing 24/7, and I really need to get out of the house. I never like thought like me expressing diva and all this stuff would get me to this and get me to like, I cannot believe we were nominated for a Shorty Award. Like, that to me is so insane. Like, that is actually insane. Like, I don't even believe it. Like, it doesn't even make sense. Like, being nominated with like people like Nikita Dragon, Wayne Goss, and all these sickening people, it's just like, girl, I'm literally a nobody. Like, who said, let's put cohlsworld in that? Like, what? You know, you just gotta remember, like, everything is for a reason, and I really, really believe in that. And you just have to believe in yourself, you know? Okay, so now I'm just taking my little Mercier powder. But also, something crazy this year, guys. I'm like a whole new diva. I've turned into this new, I don't even know, fitness guru. I work out every day. I do intermittent fasting, and I know you guys have been wanting me to do a video on how I've lost so much weight. I don't know, I've just been so happy. And now I have a new man. My new man is so nice to me. He treats me so good. Always is telling me how beautiful I am. And to me, like, that's weird. I'm like, why do you keep saying this to me? And it was just like, he's supposed to. If you guys are in a toxic relationship, girl, leave him. Take his credit card and leave. Is he paying your bills? No. He can't even pay his own. So moving on, just like I moved on from my ex, we're gonna take the Grwm Bronze in Mastermind. You guys, these new Morphe Bronzers. They're not new, but when these came out in the summer, girl, I was going through it. They were sending me restocks 24/7 because these bronzers are just so good. Look how good this color is. It's so subtle. I love it. I love this one in Megastar. I'm gonna be putting Megastar on top, but these are also what I use as eyeshadows today, you guys. And I'll take and go like this too because I kind of have a fat head and I like making my head look smaller, you know? Also, you guys, please comment and tell me who your favorite YouTubers are right now because the beauty community to me is boring. Like, I just feel like they boring. They just not be doing much, you know? Speaking of that, tell me what you guys want to see from me. I know you guys really want vlogs. Vlogs are coming, just not right now. You guys, I've been doing the whole Patrick Star trick where you take a really light powder, specifically this MAC one, and usually he like pats it in, but I kind of like leave it there. That way, kind of like bakes a little bit. Okay, so I just added a little bit more contour and blush. Just a little bit. Then, let's go in with Hella Blush. I love this MAC one. It's called Cheeky Bits. It's like a really pretty red, but it just really like looks really cute. And it's kind of glowy. And you know, we just like that glow. I just feel like it makes us look younger, so like the older sugar daddies like are more attracted to us, you know? I'm gonna contour this nose off camera and go from Squidward to SpongeBob BRB. Okay, I'm back going in with my Laura Mercier Candlelight Glow. You guys know this is my secret weapon. So many of you guys be tagging me in your stories buying this, and it makes me so happy. It just makes everything look so much better. You guys, I'm gonna show you the most insane highlight right now. This ColourPop You're a Catch is just... Well, nothing had to be said about that. Like, I literally just tapped the product and look at it. Like, that is insane. It's so blinding. I'm gonna use the new Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist, and I've used this before. This is bomb, and it smells like cucumbers, you guys. It smells so good. And the spritz on it, like, look at it. You guys can see the difference, like this one. I'm gonna add the lip and be right back. Okay, everyone, so this is the look I did to go out with my friends. I'm so excited. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all of you guys entering my giveaway, subscribing to me, following me. I just feel so good, and I love you guys so much. So thank you. I love you guys. Hi, all my new subscribers. You're a bad bitch. You're a diva. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, like, give this video a big thumbs up. Wait, what? Anyways, leave me a comment down below, and yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, everyone.